Dent, drop the gun!
Stay back! Kill me! Do it! Shut up! It's okay! It's okay!
Don't
Shut up!
Don't do this!
I made a promise to a 10-year-old boy! He was a little kid whose parents were taken from him by this monster! This is for Bruce Wayne.
This is not what Bruce wants.
How would you know
Because
what he wants?
Harvey! Because...
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Joe, just get the hell out of here. Joe, now! Harvey, I'm right here with you.
With us. We don't get to walk away from this, Brucey. Justice demands sacrifice. It's out of our hands. Bad news, kid.
You tried to protect me. Would have done the same for me.